Hey guys, Chris here at TT120. Today we're off to Doncaster, to good old Donny, go to the Festival of British Railway Modelling, sponsored by BRM, that's the British Railway Modelling magazine. Now, went there a year ago, and there was an area about this big on the West Hill Wagon Works stand with some TT120 products, and that was it. And there was quite a negative vibe if you asked anybody about TT120. This time we're going to go and see if it's any different. Obviously West Hill Wagon Works are there. We're going to go and see if anybody else is if any of the retailers are stocking any of the stuff. We do know there's a layout there. There's actually a TT3 mil layout there, and I know that's got a lot of the stuff from Lincoln Models, who now are doing TT120. So I'm going to go have a chat with them. I know they're quite positive guys. That's the kind of like the TT3 mil, and we also know that Market Deeping have made that not quite Dawlish TT120 site that we've seen on YouTube. I've been invited to do a little bit of guest stuff. I'm not quite sure how little or how much I'll be doing. I won't know till I get there, but I've heard they're a cracking bunch of guys, so I'm really looking forward to that. Like I said before, I'm hoping if anybody spots me there that they've said hello. And so anyway, let's see. Let's go and have a look at it.
About that on your load, that and they'll sort of book it. So that's quite useful. No, they're close. On your LOCO'S, you'll find that they're absolutely fine. Because the tension lock, you don't just stick out to the end.
Sweden, Switzerland, the Netherlands,
Good as well.
okay, no problem.
Yes, please.
Okay, no problem at all. We've got I'll capture it a bit. Yeah, is inside there is that plate there. Okay, right? Okay, so when you switch it on, right, you get static charge, right? So your grass is inside there, sitting on that plate, or being charged by that plate, yeah, and then wants to go, right? So negative end, positive end, negative, positive. So the closer that is to the bottom of the hopper, yeah, the better the roll. Yeah, and then while I got it on, I might as well show you. So this is our Progress box.
It's all the videos of them attaching it to a screw on the race board.
It's a total urban myth, and they haven't got a clue what static grass means. So,
Right.
yeah, so 15 years we've been developing static grass, and that's why we're one of the leading companies. You do not need to stick a pin in it. It's a total urban myth. So this is the Progress box. That's a hell of a party trick. Yeah. However,
You can get a look at this scale.
a lot of these LOCO'S are 3D printed.
Yeah, that's the only way to go, isn't it? Yeah, but Is it Lincoln do a lot, don't they? And
The proprietor of Lincoln is standing behind me.
It's a third 08 knuckle. One of them had its couplings twisted back. The other one, I have no idea what problem it is. Probably won't know until I get home. Got my lap and of course. I'm just saying.
The other side,
I got what to do for the festival your own way. It gives you ideas, and if you do things what you see everywhere, you're like,
they go into trees in a tunnel, that's what I'm trying to do.
I bet they didn't need to walk. Taking turns.
The carrier put bits and bobs down the front, stuff like that.
And then for the rides,
No, don't worry. It's I found that any kind of audio you have on these things, you rarely get someone in the background. Sometimes they already know or pop quiz. What number's that?
They're complete foreigners, so you should see castles and kings. Yes, I believe.
In 2 weeks' time, before you get the deposit, but for some reason Hornby wouldn't run these guys get
And with a little more.
I had the best day. It was fantastic. The whole gang at Market Deeping, what a fantastic club. If you live somewhere anywhere near these guys, that's got to be the club for you. They're just, I've never been so welcomed. I spent all day with them. I think I'm going back tomorrow, hopefully, and we're going to play a little bit more. But my stuff buzzing around, and it's just been, it's just a fantastic experience. Everyone's so friendly. Lots of the gang said hello. You all know who you are. Thank you so much. It means so much. All your positive comments that you said, and all of you come up to me and tell me how much you like the channel. It's fantastic. Thank you. And we saw, I mean, how many retailers there? Great. Absolutely. And some proper cracking prices. There were some really good deals to be had. Cheltenham Model Centre had some proper good prices. Fortunately, or unfortunately, I bought everything already with the Hornby discounts from BL4. But it's great to see and they're in amongst the independent traders as well, not just the big manufacturer stalls. This is just the smaller independents who are the backbone of the show scene. Let's face it. One or two little kind of niggles from a few people, but never mind. Hey, I had a fantastic time. Everyone who came to see the stall, I think, told us they thought it was fantastic. Fantastic. Right, Ronald, I want to see next year now. I'm keen. I don't want to wish me years away, but I'm keen to see how it develops for next year. But anyway, if you guys have enjoyed this anywhere near as much as I did, please like and subscribe. Don't forget to poke Peachy in the face. I think Jimmy will stick a couple of videos up here and here. Anyway, there'll be a new video in a couple of weeks' time. Take care. See you soon. Bye bye.